What is up, everybody? Nick's Railfanning here, and today I'm going to show you the update of my model HO scale update of Fletcher's yard. So let's get further ado, let's get right into it. So here we go. We got the fleet so far, except the sand face right back there. I'm going to grab it in just a minute. So right now I got two brand new locomotives. One of them's on the tracks, the other one's sitting there between dash 8W and SD40-2. And that's right, you call it the Norfolk Southerns. One of them is a Operation Lifesaver 2003 ex Norfolk and Western. Look, live and look, listen, and look, listen, and live. And it says same, gonna move EMD F Chicago Northwestern F7 hour way. Same thing for Chicago and Northwestern. Look, listen, and live. Operation Lifesaver. And this one is numbered 2003. While the other one is number 6935. So yeah. So here's my fleet so far. Sand face back there. So dash 8, GP50, SD40-2, and then EMD F7, and I believe this is GP50 as well. And I'm still not 100% what that locomotive is. And then this one's dash 8, the one at DPU. That's dash 8 in the back. So yeah, let's get further ado. Let's get to Railfanning video and show you that. See you later. Well, I believe this is it, everybody, for the video. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this rail fanning video. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So if you're new here, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and check out the other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And goodbye.